Hello everyone, and welcome to our latest video on the Story History Culture channel. Today, we have a special story to share with you all about Uncle Skeeter himself. Uncle Skeeter, also known as Stephen in real life, was a beloved uncle to all of his nieces and nephews. He was known for his infectious laughter, quick wit, and his love for telling stories. Every family gathering, the children would gather around Uncle Skeeter and beg him to tell them a story. And he never disappointed. One particular story that Uncle Skeeter loved to tell was about his childhood adventures with his best friend, Buster. They were two peas in a pod, always getting into trouble and exploring their small town. One summer day, Uncle Skeeter and Buster decided to go on a camping trip in the nearby woods. They packed their backpacks with snacks, a tent, and some basic camping supplies. With excitement in their hearts, they set out on their journey. As they hiked through the woods, they came across a river with a big old tree on the other side. Buster challenged Uncle Skeeter to a contest, who could climb the tree and reach the highest branch. Uncle Skeeter eagerly accepted the challenge and quickly made his way up the tree. But as he reached the highest branch, he lost his grip and fell into the river below. Thankfully, the river wasn't deep, but Uncle Skeeter's pants got soaking wet. Buster couldn't stop laughing as Uncle Skeeter climbed out of the river with his pants hanging low. Undeterred, Uncle Skeeter continued on with their adventure. They found a perfect spot to set up their tent near a small pond. As they sat by the fire roasting marshmallows, Uncle Skeeter noticed something moving in the water. They went to investigate and discovered a family of turtles swimming in the pond. In that moment, Uncle Skeeter had an idea. He challenged Buster to a turtle catching contest. The first one to catch 3 turtles would be declared the winner. And so the race began. They both ran around the pond, trying to catch the slippery turtles. It was a close race, but Uncle Skeeter managed to catch his 3rd turtle just before Buster. He declared himself the winner and proudly showed off his prize to Buster. As the night went on, Uncle Skeeter and Buster shared stories, ate s'mores, and enjoyed each other's company. They even fell asleep to the sound of crickets chirping and the occasional hoot of an owl. The next morning, they packed up their belongings and headed back home. Even though they didn't catch any fish or sleep in a hammock like they had planned, Uncle Skeeter and Buster had a wonderful time on their camping trip. And that's just one of the many adventures Uncle Skeeter had as a child. He continued to tell his nieces and nephews stories of his mischievous yet memorable adventures, leaving them always asking for more. We hope you enjoyed this story about Uncle Skeeter as much as we did. Stay tuned for more videos on the Story History Culture channel.